Good morning, students. Today we are going to study of math subject 8th class expansion formula lesson 5 expansion formulae. Myself Sunil Dhande sir from Adarsh Vidyalaya Patasangi. I will explain about the expansion formula. So, dear students, we know we studied already in the previous class this formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula which is we already learned in the previous class. But in this class, in this year 8th class, we can study the next formula. But for this we must know concepts of addition and multiplication of algebraic terms. Concepts. What are the concept of addition and multiplication of algebraic terms? We can add 2 plus 2 equal to 4. But when we will add the in algebraic term, so what is the answer about these terms? So see here, a plus a equal to 2a. It means that 1a is here, 1a is here, there are 2a, so answer will be 2a. Next example, 2a plus 1a. You can't see because it is understood. First is stated there. 2a plus a equal to 3a, 2a plus 4a equal to 6a. 2a plus 4a equal to 6a. When there are the same terms we will add, these terms are called as like terms. We can add like terms, but when we are going to about the unlike terms, we cannot add unlike terms. Example is that a plus b equal to a plus b. You can't add 2a plus b, it becomes 2a plus b. We can't add unlike terms. We can add the like terms. What about the multiplication? Multiplication of algebraic terms. Multiplication of algebraic terms. A into a, we get the answer a square. A into a, we get the answer a square. 2a into a. Here 2 is a coefficient and here the coefficient is 1. So we will multiply the coefficient first. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 and a into a is equal to a square, 2a square. Here 2a into 2a, there are 2 and 2 are the coefficients, so we will first multiply 2 into 2 4 and a into a square, so we will get the answer 4a square. These are the like terms. Multiplication of like terms. So what about the multiplication about unlike terms? We can multiply in unlike terms also. A into a equal to ab, 2a into b is equal to 2ab. 2 is a coefficient and here is 1 is a coefficient. 2 into 1 2, a into b ab. 2a into 2b, 2 into 2 4, a into b ab. So these are the basic concept of addition of algebraic terms and multiplication of algebraic terms, like terms and unlike terms. So dear students, we already studied about the basic concept of the addition and multiplication of algebraic expression. Using this concept, we can express this formula, we can create this formula, we can occur this formula by using the concepts. So a plus b whole square, how this formula is formed? How this formula is formed? We know that students, a plus b whole square means a, we can state it a plus b this bracket in 2 times. You know, we study already in the third lesson x square we can expand x into x. This is the expanded form. So like this we can expand this bracket x plus b whole square as a plus b and second bracket a plus b 2 times. So we will multiply the first term of this bracket to the second bracket like this. So a into a plus b and second term of this bracket plus b is here multiplied by a plus b like this. First term of this bracket multiplied by second bracket, second term of this bracket multiplied by the same bracket. So now we will multiply a to the each term of the bracket, each term of this bracket. A into a square, a into b plus sign is here, so write first plus here, a into b ab. You know that a into b ab. Next b into a ba and b into b b square, a into b b square. So a square is here, ab and ba are the like terms. So ab plus ab is equal to 2ab. So ab plus ba is equal to plus 2ab and last term is b square is b square. So we get the answer a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and when we solve the bracket in expanded form we get the same answer. It means that we can we can form the many types of formulae which is stated in the books in these types, but for that we must know about the basic concept of algebraic addition and algebraic multiplication. So you have to solve the example using this formula. You have to solve the examples using this formula. So example is that a plus or x plus 2 whole square equal to. We will solve this example using this formula. X means a and 2 means b. So a square means x square. A square means x square plus 2 is here, so we will write 2 here. A means x, so into, it is in the form of multiplication, 2 into a into b. So we will write a as x into b means 2 plus b square means 2 square. So we will get the answer x square plus 2 into 2 4x, 2 into 2 4x, because we must multiply number first, then algebraic term, and last term is 2 square means 4. This is the answer. We can solve in this type of example using this formula. There are another formula is there, so you have to solve using this formula many types of examples, and I will give the assignment to you to solve at home. First is x plus 3 whole square, second is y plus 4. So you have to solve these two examples at home and bring solve. Thank you.